Today I'm going to show you a super simple spritz featuring Freixenet sparkling wine. So, just going to use a large wine glass, or you could also use a large globe, whatever you like. So, to add some like citrus peel notes and hints of ginger and lemongrass, I'm going to use 25 ml of Seedlip Grove. We're going to add some ice to the glass. Now I'm going to use a full bottle of San Bitter Dry, which is an Italian sparkling bittersweet aperitif. It is delicious. So, whole bottle right in. You can buy these singly from our website as well. And now, simply gonna top it with some sparkling wine. Give it a little stir, a little top up of wine. And now I'm just going to make use of these slices of dehydrated pink grapefruit that I have. But this will be delicious with some freshly cut as well. So it's super simple and quick to make. And there you go. A sunshine spritz.